this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and you have walked into a Glitter Girls collaboration for Animal Print is our theme. I am going to do, or I did, a hot pink mani with the neon from Diva in a Bottle. This is the neon from her very first collection, I believe. It is a beautiful, beautiful neon pink. I put that down with her black, which I love, love, love this. It goes on like butter. I don't have a problem curing it, no wrinkling, as you can see. So, got that design. This nail we're going to bling out. This one we're going to put some black on. So I wanted you to see that. I'm going to put the black on this nail and then cure it. This is, I just love her black. I just love it, love it, love it. So just do your line diagonally. And fill it in. Do your tip because you do not want any white poking through, any pink poking through there. So do your tip. Let's stick this in the lamp for 60. Now, on the blinged nail, should have popped this in at the same time. Oh, this is not that. Jumping ahead of myself. We are going to put our top coat on for the bling nail. I am using IB gel. Let me stop because I don't know what I'm using. Let me look. iGel Beauty Top Coat. I do have a package where me and Princess Diana, we did a swap, and in there I know I have some top coat, which I so love her brand. I just haven't filmed that video yet. I haven't opened the package. So for right now, this is the top coat I am using. But check out Diva in a Bottle. Okay. I'm going to be putting two different color bling on the nail. First, we're going to start with these. Just place them randomly about the nail. No rhyme, no reason. Just some sporadic gems. Let me dump those out here. So my black ones. Oh, let's see. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do so now. Don't forget to click the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos. And you don't want to miss out. I'm having a lot of giveaways going on. Trying to reach my 1K. So if you feel like you're doing a little bit of watch time for me, pop my playlist on called My Videos. We are in need of 4,000 hours. And we are at like the 2,500 mark. So your help would be greatly, greatly appreciated. Oops. Definitely blinging this nail out. And that's alright. We're gonna have fun doing this, right? Right. Oops. I lost my bling. Lost my bling there for a second. Whoops, and I gouged it. Holy cow, Batman. Check out my giveaways that I have going. I should have a couple different ones going out, so check my videos out for that. We need another gem on here somewhere. Somewhere. Just one more. What do you think of this? That's a pretty blinged out nail, don't you think? I think we'll call it a day on that. Pop this one in the lamp. And this is our middle finger. Now what we are going to do, besides pick up our gems, sorry about this. So, we are going to take our Model 1s with the wooden cap, the Dreamy Silver. We're going to put this out on our palette. We need us an ample supply of this out to do our zebra print. I should have had this ready. I'm very sorry I didn't. So down in our our comments is going to be the playlist pinned, and I ask that you check everybody out. There is my Spencer bottle. Okay, got that out. We have got a very fine brush here. I'm going to start with the pinky nail. I'm going to drag my brush through the polish, load up the tip, and pray God is with me drawing this. Because my free hand is not up to par. There we go. Got that going. Sorry being quiet tonight. Concentrate. I am quiet. We're just going to draw some lines across the nail. In both directions. Brace your finger, your hands, whatever you want to call it. Draw your zebra stripes. There's our first nail. And you need a lot more polish out than this. A lot more polish. These are really super easy to do, as you see, and are very, very pretty. Super, super easy. Super easy. Put a dot or two in here. So you see, this is the pan and this is what we're doing. I'm going to go ahead and do those other two off camera, and I will be right back. Alright, we're back. We are fresh out of the oven. Here's where we are at so far. I think these look really cute. I'm going in with the iGel Beauty top coat. We're going to top coat these babies and then just a tad bit of bling to the line of the, what do you want to call it? The zebra print. Coat your entire nail, sides and all, tip to cuticle, cuticle to tip. And just add just some bling along the line here. Oh boy. With all the lace I cannot see properly. Alright, we're going to stick this one for a flash cure as I do the others. Whoops. And we'll move on to the next nail. Do a nice coat. You don't need super thick. You don't need it sloppy. Get your bling on the line where you want it. Get it in place. And I lost my bling. And make sure they don't slip and slide around on you, because that can happen. There we go. Whoopsie. And as you see, you just top coat each nail, put your bling on, your gem placement. Cure it, give it a quick flash cure, because I'm going to cure them all together at the end. Give them a final cure. Make sure everything is set. This one out. Oh. And finally, last but not least, our thumbnail. But here, this one don't have enough top coat. Ah. There we go. Place your bling. Not too close though. Not too close. We're not trying to bling it out, just adding some accent to it. I'm just going to stick these in all together for 60. give it a last and final cure, and we will be back with the finished product. Alright, we are back. We are finished with our manicure for Glitter Girls animal print theme. We have our blinged out nail, which I think turned out excuse me, which I think turned out really well. The light catches all the light, not the light, let me see, what am I trying to say? Look at the shine on them from the light, I guess I would say, from being all blinged out. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think, your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed by now, please do so. And click all on the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos and you don't get lost in the loop. You'll catch all my giveaways, plus I upload 3 times a week. And I'd like to have you along with us for the ride. Well, this is the conclusion of our mani for today. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.